In this demo, we are going to use Droid to build a recommender system for UML class diagrams in a bank system domain. This recommender will be used to recommend to classes, attributes, operations, and superclasses in a bank domain. The first step is create a Droid project. For this, we need to provide the name of the recommender, in this case, bank recommender, and if we want to have the default values for the configuration of the recommender system. Finally, the modeling language we want to use. Second, we need to gather the data that is going to be used for training and testing. For this, we can use the local directory folder, or we can use a cloud-based model repository called MDEforge, or a search engine for models called MAR. For this project, we're going to use MAR. Specifying a set of keywords in the bank domain, we create MAR. After, we select the models instances that we want to use for the training and testing, and we import them. We press finish, and the Droid project is created. Then we need to proceed with the definition of our recommender system. For this, we first define the targets and items of our recommender. As a target, we are using class. And as items, we are defining on attributes, on operations, and superclasses. For each one of these elements, we are going to provide identifiers. In this case, we are using the identifier name for each one of them. For the configuration of the preprocessing techniques, we define for a set of options. Each option is a list, and Droid computates each combination. Droid provides different data encoding types, special character removal, the definition of the Leibnizian distance for merging, and the definition of minimum rating per target and per item. Here, the preprocessing results are shown. First, the statexes for the data provided, then the targets and items, each setting detailed values, and finally the preprocessing results. We have in the list each combination option with each result. Then we proceed for the recommendation section. First, data splitting. Here we define how the data will be split for training and testing. Second, methods. Here we define the different algorithms we want to try and the different neighborhood sizes. Lastly, evaluation. We define the different metrics we want to use to evaluate, as well as other parameters. We save, and using the configuration settings selected, we train our recommenders. Finally, the training results view is presented. We can see the performance of each recommender across different metrics selected. After we have designed which recommender we want to deploy, we double-click and it will be deployed automatically in Droid REST. We provide an out-of-the-box integration with the EMF3 editor. We also have non-Eclipse based integration with tools such as Socio and Dandelion. For this demo, we present the integration with the EMF3 editor using the recommender system just deployed in Droid REST for the bank domain. First, we create a project and we use the name bank system for our example. Then we create a simple object-oriented programming language model that will contain the recommender system. Then we provide a name and we select the root class for the program. We proceed to give a name to our program, in this case my bank. Afterwards we create a class called employee. Then using right-click on the class employee, we call the recommender and we choose attributes to get recommendations. We choose and they are automatically added. We proceed to add another class called customer and we ask for recommendation of attributes. We select the one we like and add them. And also we ask for recommendation of methods. The same manner, we select the one we like. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit Droid. Droid is maintained by Lissette Almonte from the MISO group, and for more information, please contact lissette.almonte@1.es.